Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make chocolate jelly. This delightful dessert is surprisingly simple, requiring just a few common ingredients. First, ensure you have 2 cups of milk, 3/4 of a cup of granulated sugar, and 4 teaspoons of unsweetened cocoa powder. Don't forget 1 envelope of unflavored gelatin, which will be dissolved in 1/4 cup of cold water. Finally, a touch of vanilla extract, about 1 teaspoon, will elevate the taste. Now, let's prepare our rich chocolate base. Begin by sprinkling 1 envelope of unflavored gelatin over 1/4 cup of cold water in a small bowl. Let it sit for about 5 minutes to bloom. Meanwhile, in a saucepan, combine 2 cups of milk, 3/4 of a cup of sugar, and 4 teaspoons of cocoa powder. Heat this mixture over medium heat, whisking constantly until it is hot and the sugar and cocoa are fully dissolved. Remember, avoid bringing it to a full boil. Once your chocolate mixture is perfectly warm, it's time to incorporate the gelatin. Add the bloomed gelatin and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract to the saucepan, stirring continuously until the gelatin is completely dissolved. This ensures a smooth, consistent texture. Carefully pour the liquid chocolate into your chosen molds or a single serving dish. Allow it to cool to room temperature before refrigerating for at least 3 to 4 hours, or until it achieves a firm, jiggly set. After patiently chilling, your homemade chocolate jelly is ready to be enjoyed. To serve, gently unmold the jelly onto individual plates. You can enhance its presentation and flavor with a dollop of fresh whipped cream, a sprinkle of chocolate shavings, or some vibrant fresh berries. This delightful dessert is best served cold. Any remaining jelly can be stored in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 days, perfect for a sweet treat later.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.